Today we're diving into the features of the Elkay 51300C WaterSentry Lead Microplastics NSF ANSI Certified Filter, designed specifically for bottle fillers and Liv Pro models. This replacement filter is essential for maintaining clean and safe drinking water, with a recommended replacement every 3,000 gallons or 1 year after installation. It boasts a quick disconnect, 1/4 turn installation, and an automatic inlet shut-off valve that activates when the filter is removed, ensuring a hassle-free experience. The Elkay 51300C is expertly crafted to reduce lead, particles, and chlorine, while also minimizing odors and discoloration from incoming water. Tested and certified to NSF 42 and 53 standards, this filter guarantees effective reduction of lead, Class 1 particulate, and chlorine taste and odor. With the Elkay 51300C, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your water is cleaner and safer for everyday use. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.